was dark and I lost my way. Every door was closed, nothing left to say. I tried with my hands, I tried with my mind. Every effort failed, no sign, no sign. Then I whispered low from a broken place, called upon your name in the depth of pain. You said come, and the night was gone. You said come, and the light came on. You said come, and my fear fell through. All it took, my Lord, was come from you. When my heart was weak and I couldn't see no path ahead, no clarity, no hope inside, no strength inside, just a silent cry. I had nowhere to hide. So I bowed my head with a trembling plea. From the core of my soul I called on thee. You said come, and the chains were torn. You said come, and a new day's born. You said come, and the weight withdrew. All it took, my Lord, was come from you. No sound was heard, no force was shown, just a single word from the one enthroned. When calamity comes and I'm lost again, I will call your name, not in vain. Because I know through all I've been through, every broken moment is healed by God.